So in previous video, I had worked for how to get all user list and how to filter on the list. So let's move to the Postman and save this API request to our local subscription collection, and I'm going to give it name of get and filter all users list. And let's save it to the local subscription collection. So now in this video, I'm going to work with like how to get the payment array. Like as you see in the demo at application side, I have a page where you can see all of the payment detail related to the subscriber. So here I'm going to write a command get payment by month. Like as you know, like payment is monthly basis. After complete the 30 days, the new payment will add for specific month in the database. So for this, I'm going to create a router. So I'm going to use router.get since we are going to get the payment array. And for endpoint, I'm going to use slash payment and slash ID. As behalf of the user ID, I'm able to access the payment related to specific user. So I'll accept a user ID as an request. So after that, I create the auth middleware here, and after that, I'm going to use async, and inside it, I'm going to use request and response. So similarly, I had created try and catch block here. So as earlier, we are following the same structure. So if there any error, so first I'm going to print it inside the console, and I'm going to send the response of status 500, and inside JSON I'm going to send the message there is server error. Now inside the try block, let's move inside try block. Here I'm going to use first of all, I'm going to define a variable let user and is equal to await, and here I'm going to use subscriber dot find, and inside it I'm going to use filter like underscore id should be request dot params dot id. Like if id match in the database, then it will return the document accordingly. So here I'm going to use projection as I need payment only. So here I'm going to use payment for 1, and for id I'm going to use value of 0. As if I go to like if I'm not going to define id, then it will provide me id by default. So inside projection I just disable id, and hereafter I'm going to send the response like rest.json. Here I'm going to use payments, and inside payments I'm going to pass the user array and here I'm going to use first index dot payment. So let's start the server, and if I send the request, there you can see I got the payment for specific user. You just need to grab the ID from get all user request and just pass inside your payment API, and on behalf of this you will able to get the payment of